Today, November 12th, 2025, marks a turning point for the digital world. At Google, our mission is to organize the world's information and make it accessible and useful. We're introducing CodeMender and Gemini 2.5 AI systems that will reshape our digital world. For the first time, AI becomes a responsible partner in maintaining and improving our digital spaces. Imagine digital services that adapt in real time, becoming more user-friendly and secure. This is the beginning of a new chapter for the internet and for Google. Every digital service relies on code, and securing this vast ecosystem is a massive challenge. That's why we built CodeMender, a revolutionary AI that proactively protects large-scale code bases. Unlike traditional tools, CodeMender doesn't just react to threats, it prevents them. It scans and analyzes code continuously, identifying vulnerabilities and inefficiencies before they become problems. When it finds an issue, it doesn't just flag it, it rewrites the code, proposing secure and efficient alternatives. CodeMender learns from Google's vast codebase and decades of engineering expertise, generating solutions with remarkable accuracy. This shifts software development from reactive bug fixing to proactive code health. Developers can focus on innovation, knowing CodeMender is hardening their code in the background. Operating at unprecedented scale, CodeMender analyzes billions of lines of code, learning and adapting with every scan. By deploying CodeMender, we're making our products and the open-source ecosystem safer and more reliable for everyone. While CodeMender secures the foundation, Gemini 2.5 focuses on the user interface, the place where people interact with technology. Designing intuitive interfaces for everyone is complex, but Gemini 2.5 changes the game. This multimodal AI understands and mimics real user interactions, navigating websites and apps just like a person. It doesn't just follow scripts, it operates with goals, completing tasks, and identifying confusing layouts or broken workflows. Gemini 2.5 provides invaluable insights into real user experiences, allowing us to test products at a scale never before possible. It simulates thousands of user journeys, from novice to expert, across devices and languages. This helps us catch usability issues early, ensuring our services are accessible and intuitive for all. By building empathy into our design process, we close the gap between how we design products and how they're actually used. Gemini 2.5 delivers authentic, actionable feedback, enabling faster iteration and better products. Ultimately, it ensures technology adapts to people, not the other way around. We envision a future where interfaces dynamically adjust to each user, creating truly personalized digital experiences. The real revolution happens when CodeMender and Gemini 2.5 work together as a unified system. Imagine Gemini 2.5 testing a new website feature and discovering a bug, a button that doesn't work. Instead of just reporting it, Gemini 2.5 communicates the issue directly to CodeMender, providing context and user goals. CodeMender pinpoints the faulty code, understands the problem from both technical and user perspectives, and writes a fix. The fix is deployed in a secure test environment. Gemini 2.5 retests the feature, verifying the bug is resolved and no new issues have appeared. This closed loop, from discovery to fix to verification, happens in minutes without human intervention. It's a self-improving system, elevating AI from assistant to autonomous operator. Engineers are freed from routine maintenance, focusing instead on strategic challenges and innovation. This partnership lets us build more complex systems with confidence, knowing our digital infrastructure can maintain and heal itself. Humans remain essential, setting direction and tackling the big problems. The result: faster innovation, greater stability, and a new era of digital resilience. This is the future of autonomous digital operations. These technologies are already making a difference at Google. In Google Cloud, CodeMender scanned millions of lines of code, found thousands of hidden vulnerabilities, and automatically generated patches for most, saving teams thousands of hours. Our Android team used Gemini 2.5 to simulate user actions across hundreds of apps and devices, uncovering critical issues that manual testing missed. By catching these problems early, we delivered more stable updates to users. The synergy is powerful. During Google Maps development, Gemini 2.5 found a bug, relayed it to CodeMender, which diagnosed and fixed a complex race condition in minutes. This rapid autonomous cycle, from detection to resolution, transforms our workflows. We're seeing similar impacts across search, workspace, and more. These AI systems enable us to build ambitious features, secure products thoroughly, and respond to issues faster than ever. The results have exceeded expectations, proving that autonomous operations are not just possible, they're highly effective. This success gives us confidence to expand these systems across Google's products and services. CodeMender and Gemini 2.5 mark a milestone in AI's evolution. The first wave of AI was about perception, recognizing images and speech. The second wave was about generation, creating content from prompts. Both required humans in the loop. Now, we're entering the third wave: autonomous action. These systems don't just perceive or generate, they act, achieving goals independently. When Gemini 2.5 navigates a site, or CodeMender rewrites code, they're taking meaningful action. This leap brings us closer to artificial general intelligence, where AI operates autonomously within defined domains. These systems break down goals, execute steps, and troubleshoot along the way, demonstrating practical reasoning. It's a shift from passive assistant to active participant, with profound implications for our relationship with technology. We're building systems that take responsibility for digital operations, freeing humans for creative and strategic work. This is more than an update. It's a glimpse into the future of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. Autonomous AI introduces new risks, like unintended bugs or actions misaligned with human intent. To address this, every CodeMender change is reviewed by a human before deployment, ensuring oversight and accountability. We use sandbox environments to test AI safely, protecting live services. We're also tackling bias by curating diverse training data and building fairness tools into our models. Ensuring technology works for everyone is central to our mission. As AI takes on more tasks, we're investing in education and training to prepare people for the future of work. Our goal: augment human capabilities, not replace them, and unlock AI's benefits safely and responsibly. In an AI-powered future, the human role is more vital than ever. While AI handles complex, repetitive tasks, humans bring creativity, empathy, and ethical judgment. Engineers and developers will become architects and conductors of these systems, focusing on strategy and innovation. Designers and product managers will interpret AI insights, understanding deeper user needs and shaping compelling visions. Human intuition and empathy remain irreplaceable. This era is about augmentation, not replacement. AI amplifies human ingenuity. Think of it as a master craftsperson with powerful new tools. The tools enhance but don't replace the craft. By embracing this partnership, we unlock a new wave of innovation driven by human intelligence. Looking ahead, CodeMender and Gemini 2.5 pave the way for a self-sustaining digital ecosystem. Imagine AI-managed infrastructure, constantly optimizing, patching, and adapting to new demands. AI will democratize creation, helping anyone build digital tools, regardless of technical expertise. Companies will innovate faster and more securely, and the open source community will benefit from enhanced protection. We're committed to sharing these advances, creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and security. Our optimism for technology's power to improve lives drives us forward. By keeping human values at the center, we're building a safer, more accessible digital world. The journey is just beginning.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.